Woohoo! So we got something in the mail. Let's open it up. Before that, let's make some coffee. Alright, what do we have here? So I got a call from a delivery guy saying he's from Amazon. And I have a package. I have a suspicion already. What is this? Because of the letters YM and some Chinese shit. So let's open it up. Okay, so yeah, that's what we're gonna do today. We're gonna do an unboxing. For those of you guys who doesn't know, my controllers broke a month ago, and it was reported to Yume. So they're obliged to send me a new one since I'm still on warranty. And I requested for a sine wave controller. Right? Because what I have is square wave. So sine wave because it's the newer technology, plus it's gonna be more efficient, and they say it's gonna be more faster if you're using sine wave. But that we're about to find out once we hook this up. That's what I suspect it is. What I think is this is the controller from Yume. Let's see. Yeah, it is what it is. It is a controller. A pair of sine wave controllers. Yep, two of them. Okay, no more. Yeah, no more. And since we're changing from square wave to sine wave, one thing that needs to be replaced is the throttle. Not the throttle, but the display. Because these are two different brands. The first brand that I have is JNT, which is a square wave, typical one. And oh, okay. So this is a different one. I'm expecting LH100, but this is what they sent me. Nice. MS668. Oh, also LH100. Yeah, it's also LH100, 60 volts rated, fresh ones. So sine wave controllers and a display. This thing, we will eventually replace this with something else. I'll show you in the next video. So I think that's it for the unboxing today. Thank you for watching. Installation coming soon.